Hi everyone, we are now down to 3.1.2 and I'll show you how to select a column adjacent columns and non-adjacent columns. And if you watch the previous video, then I think you'll have a very good idea of how to do this, because it's pretty identical to selecting those. You see how we have selected those in the previous video. So the idea is, you see all these columns going down, and you have A through quite many, and when you mouse over it changes the shading and you have the arrow pointing down. So if you want to select a single column, you just click on whatever is shaded, and that selects E in this case. If you want to select multiple adjacent columns, then it's the same idea as cells and rows. You have to use the shift key on your keyboard, so press and keep pressing shift, and I'll select to C. And if I want to add column K to my selection, then I can just press the control key and keep pressing the control key, not pressing shift anymore. So just keep pressing control and click. And just to make it super ugly, I'll fill it with some obscure color. And that's the whole idea with selection. Adjacent ones shift, non-adjacent ones control. So thanks for watching, and the next one's going to be inserting and deleting those in columns. Thank you.